Hello guys, today I've got the T-Mobile 5G router DL5M2 and I'm going to show you how to fix that your router is not recognizing the SIM card. If your T-Mobile 5G router is not recognizing the SIM card, it usually points to a problem with the SIM itself, how it's installed, or the router's SIM reader. So at first, I do recommend to restart the router, not reset, restart. Before removing or resetting the SIM card or before doing anything, it's recommended. So click this button over here, this one, and unplug the cable from your router. Put it back again on the table and wait 30 seconds. Then we can move to the next thing. After the restart, if it didn't help, you need to verify the sealing of the SIM card. Try to get it out. Look at the drawing in here. Of course, remember to keep your router turned off while doing these things. Here, as you can see, we've got our SIM card. And here, as you can see, we've got this drawing, this thing over here, and this lower SIM card. Verify if its position is the same. Try to, take it out or put it back in, and it should be good. Never insert or remove the SIM while the router is powered on, unless the manufacturer specifically states it's supported. Number 2, check the SIM card if it's active. Router may report no SIM or failed to connect if the SIM has not been activated, the mobile plan has expired, or the SIM has been suspended by the carrier. If possible, test the SIM card in another compatible device to confirm it is active. Number 4, check SIM size. Ensure you're using the correct SIM form factor for the DL5M2. Using an adapter or an incorrectly sized SIM can prevent proper contact with the SIM reader. So, number 6, as a last resort, I do recommend to perform the factory reset. Maybe it's not a last resort, but you need to do it. If the issue started after changing some settings, you need to prepare yourself some paperclip or SIM card reopener or anything like that, or even a pen, but I don't really think that a pen would be good for this. And here you need to put it to this hole until you hear a click. After hearing a click, you need to keep holding for 10 to 15 or even 20 seconds till you see this LED light, system light right here, blinking with multiple colors. So what else can I tell you? Determine whether the router is carrier locked. If you're using a SIM from a carrier other than T-Mobile, the router may be carrier locked. Mine is not. But in that case, the SIM may be detected but failed to register on the network, or some routers display messages such as invalid SIM, SIM not supported, or no service instead of no SIM. Number 9, rule out hardware failure. If you have confirmed that the SIM works in another device, is inserted correctly, the router has been restarted and reset, but the DL5M2 still reports no SIM, the SIM reader or server modem may be faulty. So that's it. If you think that it's faulty, you need to contact the device support to have it fixed. Goodbye.